What a week we have had so far in cruising with the changes in the health and safety protocols. We suddenly have the majority of cruise lines upping their mask requirements for just about everybody, whether you're vaccinated or unvaccinated. And we even have another one that has gone down that road. We have a couple other stories for you, and we'll get into all of it right after this. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's Sunday Brunch edition, December the 19th, 2021. The year is almost over. We got less than a week till Christmas. Hope everybody's ready, got all your presents, got all your decorations up, all of your travel plans, and hopefully everybody gets to spend time with family this year. Or even better, hopefully you're going to be on a cruise, because that, to me, is the ultimate Christmas experience. But let's jump into the cruise news. Well, we actually have two more cruise ships resuming service today. We have the Carnival Liberty and the Carnival Sunshine, both of them coming back into service. Now, of course, they are there to replace the Carnival Horizon, who has had engine trouble and has to go over to Europe for dry dock in order to have that repaired. So they're picking up the Carnival Horizon itineraries. And like I said before when we talked about that particular story, at least Carnival didn't cancel the Carnival Horizon cruises. Instead, they brought in two ships to replace it. And the people that were booked on the Horizon, while they may not be getting exactly what they booked, at least they are still getting their Christmas cruises. So props to Carnival again for doing that. All right, so this week we saw Royal Caribbean increase their mask requirements. We saw Norwegian Cruise Lines, who didn't wear masks, adding a mask requirement to their health and safety protocols. Carnival has updated their mask requirements and has banned smoking in the casinos until further notice. That one right there seems to be the one that is firing a few people off more than anything. And it's not everybody. The majority of people either are just happy to cruise, aren't worried about the masks, aren't worried about the smoking, don't smoke at all so it doesn't affect them. But you've got a few out there that seems to be a really hot button item. And I mean, they're writing in comments, not to me, but to Carnival Cruise Lines. I mean, I even saw one where apparently the lady said that she was going to hunt them down, find them, and put the cigarette out in John Heald's backside over this. Like, you know, he personally said no smoking in the casinos. But yeah, that one there does seem to be a bit of a hot topic item. Now, it's not going to stop me from cruising. I still intend to go on every one of our cruises that we have coming up. Whether I have to wear a mask indoors or not, still plan to be on those ships. Still plan to enjoy my vacations. But before we get into those, I did go through the cruise line websites this morning to see if any other cruise lines had changed their masking requirements. I checked Celebrity Cruise Lines, and they do not, at this point, seem to have followed along with Royal Caribbean. There were no updates on theirs, but I did go over and check Princess Cruise Lines as well, and their masking requirements have changed to go in line with Carnival's. And go ahead and throw that up here on the screen now. This is directly from Princess Cruise Line's website. All right, under onboard experiences, will I have to wear a face mask or physically distance? All guests must wear face masks covering their nose and mouth while indoors at all times and outdoors when physical distancing cannot be maintained, as well as during embarkation and disembarkation and when on transportation. Exceptions are made while guests are eating or drinking, receiving spa treatments relating to the face, during high-intensity exercises, in the pools, whirlpools, or sauna, as well as in their staterooms. So Princess has said this is essentially exactly what Carnival put out. They are going to require face masks indoors at all times except for eating and drinking. Now, did Princess also make any other changes? Yes, they did. They have also made the change to the casino. Go ahead and put that one up here now as well. And they're under updated, what enhanced health protocols will you have in the casino? Our casino will resume with enhanced and frequent sanitation of all, including table game positions, slot machines, and cashier areas. Smoking will not be permitted in the casino. casino dealers will wear personal protective equipment, including face shields. All right, so Princess Cruise Line is also going to stop all smoking in the casinos until further notice. And I do expect that these increased mask requirements probably going to continue to spread amongst the other cruise lines. Like I said, you know how it goes. Once one makes a change, you start to see a second one make a change, and it just kind of snowballs downhill. And then pretty soon they are all going to make the change if they haven't already. For an example, like Disney Cruise Lines already requires masks indoors, whether you're vaccinated or unvaccinated. So they are already at the requirement. They've been there the whole time. But for any cruise line that isn't there, expect to see them tighten that up here within the next week would be my guess. Now, hopefully this is not a last forever thing. Majority of them say they're going to reevaluate here in January of 2022, kind of see where everything is. Then from there, make a decision whether these protocols need to continue, get stronger, or can be relaxed back to where they were, or possibly even less. And it all really is going to depend on COVID cases, what's going on with the Omicron. And it's going to come down to a personal choice for everybody out there. Either you are going to accept the new health and safety protocols and cruise and enjoy your vacation, or you don't want to deal with the new health and safety protocols and you're going to cancel your vacation. It's really an individual's choice. You know, like always, you do you. For me personally, it is about the cruise experience. It is about getting out there. And if I got to wear a little bit of masking, while indoors, well, then that's just something I'm willing to do in order to take my cruise vacations, because we have quite a bit coming up here over the next couple of months. So as of today, we are 21 days away from our cruise on board the Disney Wonder. We are 57 days away from our cruise aboard Royal Caribbean's Adventure of the Seas, and 74 days away from our cruise on board the Carnival Vista for Carnival's 50th birthday celebration. And yeah, I'm not planning on canceling any of that just over some health and safety protocol issues, at least not what they've put out right now. I'm not real sure where my threshold would be, where it would have to get to the point where I would say, nope, I'm not going to go at all. I honestly don't know where that would be, and I know we haven't met it yet. And like I said, but that's going to be an individual choice for everybody out there. And the new rules aren't going to make everybody happy. Like I said, the hot button item of smoking in the casino definitely has a select few that has made them very unhappy. And I know it's not the same, but you can still go outside and smoke. They're not banning it from the ship, just from the casino area. But again, I understand you like to sit in front of your slot machine or whatever you like to play in the casino. You like to have your drink, you like to have your cigarette, and you like to play, and you don't want to have to get up and go outside. But at least for now, these are the requirements that the cruise lines are going to put out. And we'll see what this week brings to us in the cruisers. Hopefully, everything starts to calm down. Hopefully, everything is going to go really smooth this week. We can enjoy our holidays. We can enjoy our holiday cruising. And hopefully, start 2022 off on a much better foot when it comes to cruising. All right, I hope you all have enjoyed today's video. If you have, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day, and we will see you out on the high seas.